Duolingo is giving away free 1-month Discord Nitro and you have to claim it extremely quickly since the last day is on August 31st. I will tell you how to claim it. Before that, join my Discord server for free decors and layouts. It's a friendly community. First of all, you need to download Duolingo app. You can do that on your phone on Play Store or Apple stores. Create a new profile and learn a new language just like how I am learning Japanese like this.
と、ご飯
People who have been using this app for a long time, it's good for them. But if you are new then just use this app for 10 minutes. And you will get the free Nitro. Now the criteria to claim is, you need to be in the US to claim the free Nitro and you shouldn't be a Nitro user for at least 12 months. Anyway, if you like the video, hit like and subscribe button.